Hey viewers, welcome back to the Glam World. This is your beautician Shivani, and today I'm going to show you how to do makeup on a mature skin. And this video is going to be very special because I'm going to do this makeup on my mama's face. So let's get started. Getting started with the makeup, make sure you moisturize the skin well before starting the makeup because mature skin usually becomes more dry. Now apply primer. Let's get started with the eye makeup. But before that, make it clear in your mind that do not use loud colors on mature skin. Moving further, now create a rough crease to keep it natural. Now apply warmer shade on the eyelids and corners. Let me tell you that this is going to be her first makeup look, so I don't want to make it very loud so that she can also carry it with ease. So here I'm not going to apply eyeliner, but if you want so you can choose pencil eyeliner and give a smudge shade. Moving further with the base application, make sure you always use a liquid foundation and avoid a powder foundation because the powder foundation may settle down in the fine lines and wrinkles and they may become more prominent. Done with the base application, now moving on to the concealer. Apply the concealer on the dark circles and pigmented areas. Only do the powder application if it's needed. Mature skin need a subtle and skin-hugging makeup, and for this you have to keep your experimenting mind apart and work on to keep it as natural as it can be. And this warning was more for me because my mama, she doesn't even apply a single cosmetic on her face. So this was a very challenging video for me to convince her with the video, and especially for YouTube video. So don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's just boost the natural lashes with a transparent mascara. Continue with the blusher and lip color. So this is the final look, and you can see the pretty smile on my mama's face. She really enjoyed the makeup. Let me know in the comments if you too like this tutorial. Till then, bye bye.